Hi everybody, welcome back to Puggo News Around the World here. And today we're going to be taking a look at Sonic the Hedgehog fruit snacks. So, let's get to it. So here is a closer look up at the Sonic the Hedgehog fruit snacks box here as you guys can see. So let's take a closer look up at it. So there is 10 pouches. And it's made by Betty Crocker, and it says fruit flavored snacks. And there's this brand new Sonic the Hedgehog art here, as you guys can see, where he's running through the ring, which I really do like. And here is the Sonic the Hedgehog logo here, as you guys can see. And here is the 7 different Sonic the Hedgehog fruit snacks you can get here, as you guys can see. We have Shadow, Tails, Sonic, Emerald, Knuckles, Sonic, and there's rings there, as you guys can see, and it says per pouch. So there's the front side for you guys. So this is what the back of the box looks like here, as you guys can see. And there's this side for you guys. Here is the top part of the box for you guys. Here's this side of the bottom of the box here, as you guys can see. And I'm just really digging this brand new Sonic the Hedgehog box art here, as you guys can see, which I really do like. So now, without further ado, let's open up the Sonic the Hedgehog fruit snacks box here, as you guys can see, so we could take a closer look up at what the pouches look like and what the fruit snacks actually look like. Hopefully you guys can see this somewhat. So this is what it looks like from the front side of looking at it, from opening up the box here, as you guys can see. So let's take out a pouch. And I'm really liking this Sonic the Hedgehog artwork here, as you guys can see on the pouch. It says Sonic the Hedgehog fruit flavored snacks. Yeah, we have a whole bunch of different faces of Sonic on there, as you guys can see. And it says Sonic on it, which I really do like, in all these different ways, which I really do like. So let's open this pouch up and see what the fruit snacks actually look like. There's a little sneak peek. We have Tails, we have Knuckles. So here is the rings. Different Sonic the Hedgehog fruit snack here, as you guys can see. So here is the Emerald for you guys. We have Sonic. So finally, after opening up 4 Sonic the Hedgehog fruit snack pouches, I finally found Shadow. here as you guys can see here. I hope you guys have enjoyed today's review on Sonic the Hedgehog fruit snacks. And please let me know down in the comment section below if you guys want to see more food reviews like this in the future. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys have enjoyed today's video. And I will see you guys next time on Pogo News Around the World. Bye.